Good morning, students. Last week we have started a new chapter, that is a pairs of equation. So in that chapter we learned how to make an equation from the sentences, and also we know to find out the unknown things also, that is by using the alphabets x and y and all. So from the sentences we are making an equation and finding the unknown things. So that is the main thing we are studying in this chapter, pairs of equation. Now we'll continue. The next part is two equations. So as the name says, two equations. Here there will be two equations. So for example, last we have taken one example, that is 100. There are 100 beads in a box, and white and black. So black is 10 more than white. So there is one condition they are given, means number of black beads, that is 10 more black than white. That was the condition they given. So that is only one condition. So that's why only one equation we had. Now as the heading says two equation, we will get two conditions. So using the two conditions we are going to find out two equation and finding the unknown things. So you can see page number 36, that is a side heading, two equations. In that one example is given, price of 2 pens and 3 notebook is 40 rupees. So I can say here 2 pens, price of 2 pens and 3 notebooks. 2 pens and 3 notebooks, 40 rupees. 2 pens and 3 notebook, 40 rupees. Next, price of 2 pens and 5 notebooks is 60 rupees. 60 rupees. 2 pens and 5 notebooks, 60 rupees. What is the price of pen and what is the price of notebook? That was the question. Price of pen and notebook we don't know, but we know that count 2 pen and 3 notebook this much rupees. 2 pen and 5 notebook is 60 rupees. So this is the two condition they have given. So using this two condition we have to make a two equations. How can we make that? So first, pen we don't know. The price of pen we don't know. So we are taking as x. So you have to understand that pen we are taking as x, notebook we are taking as y. You can take reversely also, any alphabet you can take. Now this sentence we have to make it as equation. Now 2 pens. 2 pens means 2x plus, and means is addition, okay. 2x plus 3y is equal to how much rupees? 40. That is the first equation. Now second one, 2 pens. So 2x plus 5 notebook, 5y is equal to 60 rupees. 60 rupees like this you have. So you can put equation number 1, equation 2. After this, x and y we don't know. We have to find out the price of x and the price of y. So here, both the things we cannot find at once. What you have to do is, any one x value or a y value you have to cancel it. Cancel it means when you minus, you have to get it as 0. For that, just to see here, anything same here, x variable is same or y variable is same. Y, 3y and 5y, they are different. So we can't do anything. Now here, x is same, no, 2x, 2x. So I can cancel, I can make it 0. So first you have to keep it in mind, if you have two equations, any one of the variable x or y, you have to make it 0. You have to see how can we make it as a 0, so that other variable we can find out the answer. Now I can make this as 0. How can I make 0? If 2 minus 2 is 0, no? So I can make 2x minus 2x 0. So what I am going to do is equation 1 minus equation 2. This is the one, okay? Subtraction I am doing. Minusing. What I am doing? Just I am minusing. So I can put the line here because it's a long equation, no? So just putting the line. I am minusing here. I have written minus. So when I put the minus, everywhere opposite sign you have to put, because minusing means everywhere sign will be opposite. Here positive 2x becomes negative 2x, positive 5 becomes negative 5, means minus 5, positive 60 means negative 60. So like this it will come. Now we have to do according to the sign, okay. Now 2x minus 2x, it is 0, no? 2x minus 2x is 0. Now 3y minus 5y. 3y minus 5y. So how much is that? 3y minus 5y means, actually you know the larger one 5. 5 minus 3. How much it is? 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2y. But the sign of the larger number, which one? It is negative. So minus I have to put. Now for 40 minus 60. That means you have to just reverse it. 60 minus 40 how much? 60 minus 40 is 20. But what is the sign of the larger number? Negative. So that also have to put. So whenever you have this side negative, that you can just cancel it. Like this you can cancel. That is after division also it gets cancelled. Now also it can get cancelled. So it becomes positive number. So I can write 2y is equal to 20. Now I can get y value here. Y is how much? I told you to find out the y value or x value. Into 2 you have that into 2 becomes here. What will be? It is this division. We told no? Into goes that side division. Division goes that side into. So keeping 20 here, 20 by 2 because into becomes division. Half of 20 is 10. So y value got 10. Actually y, what is your y here? It is a notebook. So one notebook, how much rupees it is? 10 rupees. So this is the y value. Notebook value got. But how can we find the pen value? That you can just put and we can see that is what we are going to do is this value substitute this in any of the equation 1 or 2, that is your wish. Substitute this in any of the equation. If I put in equation 1 means this one is this. So what is equation 1? That I have to write 2x plus 3y is equal to 40. This equation first you have to write. Then what you have to do, this y value is there, that you have to substitute here. So 2x, x I don't know, plus 3 into, what is the y value? 10 is equal to 40. 2x plus 3 tens are 30 is equal to 40. Now x value finding, no? So this you keep it here, this plus 30 I'm bringing this side. So 2x is equal to 40 plus becomes minus, 40 minus 30, that is 10. So 2x is equal to 10. This comes here, okay? 2x is equal to 10. So that x is equal to 10 by 2, 5. So what is the thing you are getting here? X value got 5 rupees. What is your x? Go back and see. X is your 1 pen. Price of 1 pen. So that is 5 rupees. So both the things you got, no? So price of a pen you can write. Therefore, price of a pen is equal to x is how much you got? 5 rupees. Price of a notebook is equal to y is equal to, what is the y here? 10. So this is the way you have to do it. Two equations you have to find out, and any one, x or y, whatever, which is the same, that you have to cancel, make it to 0, and you will get y value. If you are making 0 y, that time you will get the answer here x, and you have to substitute in 1 or 2, like this only. 2 also if you do, you will get the same answers, okay? So this is the way you have to do with the two equations. Okay, next we are moving on to the questions now. Page number 40, the question number 2. So just read the sentence and we try to make two equations like that. So what is the given here? 4 times a number and 3 times the another number added together make 43. So 4 times a number and 3 times the another number. That means you should understand that there are two numbers. First number and second number. So that we can take it as first number x, second number y. So we'll see now the sentence. 4 times a number. 4 times a number means that is the first number. 4 times means 4 into, okay. 4 times a number. A number means first number x. And 3 times another number. 3 times means into, okay. 3 times another number, which one? Y. 4 times a number and 3 times another number added together means addition, added together to make 43. To make means equal to 4 times a number, 3 times another number added together to make 43. So this is the way you have to make an equation. So one equation got, no? This is the first equation you got. Now we'll see the next equation. 2 times the second number. Which is the second number? Y. 2 times the second number. 2 times second number means 2y. 2 times the second number subtracted from. So subtracted means minus. Subtracted from means there is one more number previously, okay, subtracted from 3 times the first, 3 times the first, 3 times the first, which one, x, 2 times the second number subtracted from 3 times the first, 3x, gives, how much is giving, that is 11. So this is your second equation. So this is the way you have to make an equation. Now as it is, how you found before, the same way, x or y, we have to make it 0 first. If you are making x 0, you will get the value of y. If you are making y 0, you will get the value of x. Now see here, so for that we have to see whether x is same or y is same. We have to see whether x is same here, 4x, 3x, they are different. 3y, 2y, that is also different. So how can we make 0? If it is different, we can't make 0. That time what to do is, if it is different numbers for x and for y, what we will do is, I'll choose x, or you can choose y also. For example, I'll choose x here. So what you have to do is, equation number 1, you have to multiply by this 3. Just up and down you are multiplying, because I want to make x same. X same I want to make. So to make x same, what I am going to do is this equation number 1 multiplying by this 3. Multiplying by this 3. And for the next time, equation number 2 is multiplying by this 4. Just this is going to multiply here and this is going to multiply here. This is the way we are doing. If it is not equal number, okay, here not equal, no. So to make it equal, this number, this equation multiplying by this 3, this equation multiplying by 4. So just up and down you have to put and multiply. Now everything you have to multiply by 3, everything you have to multiply by 4. So that next new equation you will get. Now 4 3s are, just listen here, 4 3s are 12x, that x will be there, plus 3 3s are 9y, equal to 43 3s are, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 129 got. Now same way, 3 4s are 12, getting no same, so that's why we are making like this. If it is not same, 3 4s are 12, minus, this minus you have to put. Now 2 4s are 8y is equal to 11 4s are 44. So this way you got. Now what you have to do? This is the new equation you got. Now you have to minus it, so that this get cancelled. So I have to put a minus here. This equation minus this equation. So I told you, when you minus, everywhere you have to put the sign. Changes. You have to change the sign. This is negative. This becomes negative. This becomes positive.